Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have 2 more kits to show you for the D-Stash. I did a Diamond Dots D-Stash last week or the week before, and I left one out. This week I am doing the Make Market D-Stash. So I'm going to combine 2 together in this one. This one's not really a Diamond Dots, but it's Artskills. And I forgot to show you this one. And I need to show this one to you because it is really, really cute. Okay, here is so this one is, it's got a dog and a cat on it, and it looks adorable. It's a 10-inch by 12-inch. It's stretch canvas, easy to hang. So I just busted this open so I can show you the colors. It doesn't look like there's any special drills. No. No special drills. Pretty colors though, pretty colors. If anyone has done any one of these, let me know. How am I going to do this? Okay, do it that way. Pretty, pretty. Super duper pretty colors. Look at that purple. More purple. And it's got a red. See the red? So what I think I'm going to do, because you know I'm no good at putting these back in these. I think I'm just going to put it back in here. No, this isn't going to work. Let me try to get it back in. So this kit comes with a super duper toolkit. It comes with baggies. It comes with wax in a little holder, 2 pens, 2 squishies, a tray, and they're in the color black. And these are nice baggies that you're getting as well. They're nice and big. And as you can see, the 2 squishies are in here. Squishies, they go on the pen. And here's your little container for your wax. And then your do not eat stuff. Right there. And this here has got your color grid. And these are DMC numbers. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excuse me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 colors. And these symbols, 30, yeah. Look at those symbols. Those are really odd symbols. Let me see. You can see some of them on here. Right there. 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 A bunch here. They're really super clear. They are. So here is your image. Super glary. Let's try that way. There we go. Aren't they cute? And it's already on a canvas. And this is hard. It's not just pulled over it. It's a thick piece of particle board that's on there. And let me put these back in. And let me put this in there. Your supplies. And then your drills. I'm going to have to straighten that out because I don't think this is going to fit back in the box. Oh yeah, it did. I'm good. I am good. So it says one 10-inch by 12-inch printed stretched canvas, 35 bags of gems, 35 reusable bags. That's why that was a thick pack. 2 single-use, single gem styluses, 2 comfort firm grips, 2 pieces of wax were in that container, 1 gem tray with a pour spout, and 1 instruction sheet. You've got everything you need to do this kit. So there he is. Make me an offer and he is yours. So the next one is this one. It's round. It's the cute little dog. Comes with the pen and the frame. And this one, the name of this one is I don't know. Christmas Noel. Oh, it's called Collie Dog. Collie Dog. Because it's a collie. Okay. There's our wooden frame. And this is an 8 by 10 with 36 colors. Here is your pen, baggies, wax, and your tray, and it's got the pour spout. So there's your frame, there's your tray, there's your fancy pan. And they now come with DMC numbers. So there's 36 colors with DMC numbers. And from what I can see, there's no special drills. And then here's your instruction sheet. I'm going to look. Let me show you this first. There's our little collie dog. Cute. And this is an 8 by 10. All right, let me see if there is any special drills. Let's give you a little closer look at these drills. No. No special drills. Let's see. There they are. Pretty. But if you would like me to include some red round ABs, I can. I do have red ABs, and I will absolutely include them. Trying to figure out how this was done. Okay, this was all wrapped up in there, and that was too. So let's see if we can wrap it up again. There we go. So I know the frame was not in the canvas. So we'll put that back in there. Put that back in there. Close it. And let me know if these guys are something you want. Get them together. Yeah, offer me something for them together. I just want to move them out of here. Okay, guys, I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I hope you are enjoying these D-Stash kits. Let me know if you have them or if you've completed these images before. Let me know. Inquiring minds want to know. And be kind to everyone.